Guys, have you ever felt like everyone in the house depends on one person to remember what's going on? Some weeks look manageable at first, but then one plan changes, another reminder gets added, and suddenly important details are spread across messages, notes, and different apps. At that point, it is not just a memory problem, it is a system problem. I am Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're taking a look at Nori Family Hub, an AI-powered home hub built around one shared screen, voice interaction, and mobile sync. With simple voice commands, just say, "Hey Nori," you can say what needs to happen, and the hub turns it into something visible. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Huge thanks to Nori for sponsoring my video. So let's jump in and see how this actually works. Friends, when I first heard AI Family Hub, I expected something complicated that only one person would manage. But the idea behind Nori is much simpler. It is made to live in a visible place and help the whole household stay in sync. You can place it in a spot where everyone naturally passes during the day, like the kitchen or entryway. The device is not locked inside one person's phone, so anyone can walk up to it, check the day, add something, or use it during normal home routines. The design fits that idea too. The hub looks more like a digital photo frame than a regular tablet. You can swap the frame to match your space, and when it is idle, it can show family photos. Mates, setup is simple. You connect the device to Wi-Fi, and after that, the main interaction is voice.
Whenever you need me, just say, "Hey Nori."
You just say, "Hey Nori,"
Great, I heard you.
and ask for what you need in a normal sentence. That is one of the strongest parts of the device, because you do not have to open an app, search for the right menu, and type every detail manually. You can just say what you need, and Nori turns that request into something useful on the screen. For example, I can ask what Nori can help with, and it gives me the main idea of the hub.
I can manage your calendar, tasks, shopping, meal plans.
It helps the household manage daily plans, tasks, and important details in one place. Guys, let's start with the calendar. The screen works as a shared schedule, so everyone can see what is coming up. I can add a dentist appointment by voice, and the assistant turns it into a real event.
Dentist appointment is set for Thursday at 3 p.m. with a 30-minute reminder.
Once it is added, it appears in the family view. Everything can also be color-coded by family member, making it easier to understand each person's plans for the day. But Nori can also help when I do not know the exact date or time. For example, I can say, "Hey Nori, find the next Formula 1 race," and add it to my calendar.
Adding F1 race. Formula 1 Dutch Grand Prix is on Sunday, August 23rd at 2 p.m.
Nori searches the web for the event details and adds the correct date and start time automatically. Nori can sync with Outlook, Google, or Apple Calendar, so if I add something on Nori, it can show up on my phone. If another family member creates an event in their own schedule, it can appear on the hub too. Folks, this is where the device starts to feel more practical than a regular calendar app. Everyone can see the same plan, so there is less double-checking, fewer missed updates, and less confusion about who needs to be where. Now let's move to tasks and chores. In many families, chores depend on one person remembering everything and repeating the same reminders. This hub makes those tasks visible on the shared screen, so the routine becomes easier to follow. Here, the full flow is important. A task becomes part of the shared screen, so the right person can see what needs to be done and mark it as complete when it is finished. If a child finishes homework or completes a chore, they can walk up to Nori and mark it as done by voice.
Checking your homework task. Complete.
The parent can also get a notification on the phone, which means less checking and less repeating. There is also a reward system. Kids can earn points for finished tasks and redeem them for rewards the family chooses. The real value here is that kids can see their own routines and start taking more ownership of what they need to do. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now let's look at meal planning. This is one of the clearest examples of how Nori connects the process from start to finish. A meal idea can move from a saved recipe into the weekly plan, then into a shopping list, and finally into a task someone can actually handle. The AI becomes more useful when it understands your household. If someone has a food allergy or a specific preference, it can remember that when suggesting meals. Folks, after the meal plan is created, Nori can automatically build a grocery list from the ingredients. Then that shopping list can be shared with the household and assigned as a task. So the next step is clear. The shopping list connects directly to this. When the assistant builds a meal plan, it can also create a grocery list from the ingredients. And because the list is shared, anyone can add to it by voice. So if someone is cooking and notices that orange juice is missing, they can add it right away. Then when someone goes to the store, the same list is available in the mobile app. Mates, this is a small feature, but it can save a lot of back and forth at home. The item goes straight into the shared list when it comes up. Nori can also help with recipe import. If you find a recipe online or on social media, Nori can pull out the ingredients and steps, then make it usable for cooking, planning, and shopping. Another important part is household memory. This device can remember details that matter at home, like food restrictions, where things are stored, or home information. For example, you can tell the assistant that someone is allergic to peanuts, or that the extra batteries are in the kitchen drawer. These small details are exactly the kind of information that usually lives in one person's head. Folks, the idea is to turn those details into a shared memory for the house. The more the family uses Nori, the more useful that shared context becomes. Everything on the hub also connects with the mobile app. If someone adds something at home, you can see it on your phone. If you are at the store, the shopping list is with you. That hub and app connection matters because home organization does not stop when you walk away from the screen. If something changes at home, the update can still follow you on the phone, whether you are checking the schedule or using the shopping list outside the house. Guys, there are also smaller everyday tools like timers, messages, and parental lock, so kids can use it more safely. So overall, Nori is trying to become the place where everyday organization happens, from daily plans and meals to the small details the family needs to remember. Alright friends, let's wrap this up. In this video we looked at Nori and how it works as an AI family hub for the home. It brings everything into one shared screen: the family calendar, tasks, meal plans, and shopping lists, plus recipes, reminders, and all those important household details that usually get lost in different apps. The strongest part is how Nori turns everyday requests into visible actions. You can say something naturally, and the hub can help turn it into a list, reminder, or saved household detail. Of course, it works best if the family actually builds the habit of using it every day. But the idea is clear. Nori helps reduce the mental load and makes daily family life easier to manage together. So, what do you guys think? Would you use a shared AI hub like this at home? If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.